Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to check your recycle bin history in 2025. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important file or you're just curious about what's been trashed lately, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, if you're on a Windows system, which most of us are, the recycle bin is like a safety net for your deleted files. But did you know that with the latest 2025 updates, Windows has made it even easier to view your deletion history? Start by clicking on the recycle bin icon on your desktop. It's that trash can symbol you see every day. Once you're inside, you'll notice a new History tab at the top. This is a fresh feature from the 2025 Windows Update, designed to help you track changes. Click on that, and you'll see a timeline of deletions, including dates, times, and even the user who deleted the file if you're on a shared computer. Pretty cool, right? If you're not seeing this option, don't worry, it might be because you need to enable file history first. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Backup, and make sure it's turned on. This will allow you to restore files from previous versions. For more advanced users, you can use the command prompt. Just open it by typing CMD in the search bar, then type recycle bin history to view a list of deleted items. Remember, this command might require admin privileges, so right-click and run as administrator. One thing to watch out for: if you've emptied the recycle bin recently, some history might be gone forever, especially if permanent delete was used. Always double-check before you empty it. There you have it. Checking your recycle bin history is straightforward and can save you a ton of headaches. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tricks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.